Welcome to physics stream. In today's tutorial I will discuss that what's the temperature and heat, and how to calculate or measure the temperature, and what's thermal expansion. Okay, let's start. What is the temperature? Temperature is a relative measure or indication of hotness or coldness. Okay, to means that the quantity of hotness or coldness is temperature. A hot cooker is said to have a high temperature, and an ice cube to have a lower temperature. An object at a higher temperature is said to be hotter than the one at a lower temperature. The SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, denoted by a K, whereas the degree Celsius is a commonly used unit of temperature. And what's the heat? When you put a cold spoon into a cup of hot coffee, the spoon warms up and the coffee cools down as they were trying to equalize the temperature. Energy transfer that takes place solely because of a temperature difference is called heat flow or heat transfer, and the energy transferred in this way is called heat. The SI unit of heat energy transferred is expressed in joule J. Measurement of temperature. Okay, so this slide is that how to calculate a temperature. Okay, a physical property that changes with the temperature is called a thermometric property. When a thermometer is put in a contact with a hot body, the mercury expands, increasing the length of the mercury column. Celsius scale. It defines ice point temperature as 0 Celsius and the stream point temperature as 100 Celsius. The space between 0 and 100 Celsius marks is equally divided into 100 intervals. Okay. So the second unit is that Fahrenheit scale. It defines the ice point of temperature is a 32 Fahrenheit and the stream point temperature is as 212 Fahrenheit. The space between 32 Fahrenheit and 21 Fahrenheit is divided into 130 equal intervals. And the Kelvin scale is of a measuring of a temperature. The melting point of ice is taken as, and the boiling point of water is. The space between these 2 points is divided into a equal 100 equal intervals. Okay, so and next slide is that thermal expansion. So what is the thermal expansion? Increase in size of any matter on heating is called thermal expansion. There are three types of thermal expansion: linear and volume expansion, and the third is area expansion. So expansion in the length is called a linear expansion, and it's that delta L divided by L. And area expansion, the expansion in area is called area expansion or superficial expansion, and the fractional change in area. Okay, and the volume expansion, the expansion in volume is called volume expansion, and the fractional change in area is given by delta V divided by V. Okay, so where y is the coefficient of volume expansion. So hopefully this video is helping for you to understand the different points of physics. Thank you very much.